So don't waste a moment. Don't waste a moment, because these are the last few days of Ramadan. We get very serious. If Allah wanted, He could have had the night of decree known as Laylatul Qadr right at the beginning of Ramadan. And He could have told us what day and date it was. But He didn't keep it at the beginning. One of the reasons is people would have just fasted on that day, worshipped on that day, and the rest of it they would have had fun. But He kept it at the end. So as you build the climax, subhanallah, you build, and towards the end you get even more serious. Similarly, He did not let us know what the day and exact night it was. Because had He told that to us, everyone would have come just on the 27th or the 29th, or if He had set the date of 25th or 26th, we would have just come on that night. And the rest of the nights, what are you doing? I promise you, sitting at the shisha lounge, puffing away, claiming that there's nothing wrong with this. It's okay, I'm chilling, it's at night. Would you believe that 2 days ago someone asked me a question, does smoking the shisha or the hookah, whatever you guys call it, what do you guys call it here? What do you call it? Shisha. Okay, does smoking that break the fast? Whoa, does it break the fast? Subhanallah. Even if you're not fasting, you are broken. Subhanallah. So you got to quit the habit. It's a bad habit. Really, it is a bad habit. And if you are fasting, it's even worse. Obviously, the fast is broken. May Allah Almighty forgive us. Imagine people are looking for any excuse to continue to do whatever they want to do.